So hello guys, I'm working on this amazing Python script, okay, where we can clone the whole e-commerce products. So as you can see, that's my website here, okay, and I don't have access of this website, and you will see here the lot of products, and I want to fetch the all products images link, then products name, products price, and product description. I want to fetch all this thing in any CSV file. Okay, so how can I do that? See, this website have a lot of products, so let's go to the everything part. Okay, and let's see how many products are there. So maybe they have around 20 or 15 products. 31 products. Okay, it can be up to like 100 or 200 products also, but I want to fetch all these products. I don't have a time to write down the all things one by one. How can I do that? So I have a script, so let me show you how this will work. Okay, in the next video I'll show you how this script will create it. As you can see, I have a scrap.py. This is my script file. Now let me just go to the Python. Okay, and I just need to run this script. So Python 3 scrap.py. Let's click on the run. Okay, and wait some second. This will generate one CSV file. Okay, so it will take some time. The reason is because what this will do, what that script do, that script fetch the all products, then this will goes to the this script will open the every product one by one. Okay, and then after opening the product, that will fetch the product details and then come back and again open the another product. So it will take some time to scrap the whole data. If you have a lot of bunch of data, maybe more than 100 of products or 200 or 500 or 1000 products, so it will take more time. So see, now just generated, right? It's like, so just open the products.csv file and see here, see the anchor $150 and see the short description. This is the long description and that's the image URL. You will see the image URL here. This is the image URL. Now let's go to the website and we'll see the anchor. This is 150 to 180 price. So see the 150 price of that one product. Okay, this is and let's open the product and let's see the description, how it's and this is the, okay, it's a dummy description. So see, we have the dummy description like here. So right, and let's see, this is the images URL. Okay, so that's the tool we will create. Okay, so tomorrow video I'll show you how we can create that script. And if you don't have the knowledge of Python, so still don't worry, I'll give you that script. You just need to install some libraries because it's required, and I'll show you how to install that libraries and we'll scrap that overall website. Okay, so it's legal. There's no any issue with that because it's a public website. It's a public, you can say the public data. You can't copy the someone else product images, but you can copy the name and all the things. Because if I suppose selling the iPhone 12, suppose an iPhone 14, okay, so my website and someone else website also selling the same product, but I need a product images. Okay, so you can get the it's totally legal, but make sure you can't copy someone else unique product or some other details. Okay, so if you have a permission, then definitely you can do. So thank you so much for watching this video. In the tomorrow video, next video, we'll learn how we can write that script and how we can do this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.